Okay, Warren, here's one that's in our little fellowship room where we get together and play games and stuff like that. And anyway, there's this lovely ceiling fan up here. So I do have, oh come on, get in focus. Oh, there we go. All right, so the wall control is right here. And I'm going to try and turn the light on first for you. And I'm sorry if I don't get this in the right order, but there's the light. And I'm going to turn the dial and see what happens here. There it goes. Whee! Ah, sorry, it's out of focus. Come on, get in focus. Come on, you can do it. Okay, that's better. So that's as fast as it goes. I'm going down another click. And another click. And another click, which I guess turned it off. There you go. And start with it. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see it again. There we go. I'm going to start turning it back on again. All right. Hi.
Hello.
I'm taking a ceiling fan video for my son.
Oh, did you find the switch to turn it on?
I did. So I think that's slow.
You can see it has more than one speed.
And no, it does. The wall switch does. There's
oh, good.
medium. That I think is the fastest setting. Man, that's fast. Woo-hoo-hoo.
It looks fun shadows on the wall too.
Yep, it does.
Skylights shining inside it.
Let me see if I can get closer up here. Oh, my lens is dirty. Here we go. Can you man the wall switch, Sarah? Maybe you can just turn it down.
Alright, so that's on high.
Mm-hmm.
That's medium. It should be slowing down.
Doesn't feel like it does change much, but
It didn't look like a big change.
yeah.
Let's see low. Oops, there's low.
Cool. And go to the next click. Okay, and we'll let it come to a complete stop. It's pretty wobbly. I bet it could use a really good cleaning, Warren. Okay, almost done. And going back up again. Watch me run over somebody. Takes forever to stop, doesn't it? Isn't that pretty? All the skylights and stuff. I like this room. Go. It's weird. It won't focus when I go back. That's better when I go forward. There we go. There you go, Warren. That's the ceiling fan in the Koopman room. It's almost done. I'm just going to keep going until it absolutely stops because I don't remember what you like. Oh, out of focus again. Darn it. And almost there. Back up again. Pretty cool. Takes a long time to stop, doesn't it? Is that about average, Warren? I think it probably is. There we go. Nope, hasn't stopped yet. Is it done? It's done. Okay, bye.